Hey guys, today I'm filming a video on the Hasina by Blush Tribe. This is the 10 looks 1 palette for this palette. I really do like this palette. I'm not the biggest fan of pastels, so colors like this pastel purple doesn't get used as much. It is still good quality. I just don't think pastels are that much of like banger colors. I prefer more neon colors. That's just me personally. I really enjoy this pink, this blue, the orange and the red. The shimmers in here are all extremely nice. This middle color here is also really pretty as well. The purple shimmer is nice as well. Blue. This is a really nice color here. This tan kind of color, camel, I suppose, whatever you want to call it. It's brown. It's a pretty color. This green is very pretty. The shimmer green in here is okay. The showstopper for me, and usually in palettes like this where they're very colorful, I draw more to the oranges and the greens, the pinks, the blues, you know, I'm more towards the color, but this gold shimmer right up here beside the yellow is phenomenal. I don't know if you could see that there, but in one of my looks that I did, I actually took my finger and rubbed it in it, and I was actually shocked by the pigment, and I was shocked by how creamy it was. I really enjoy that in my shimmers. A couple things I wanted to cover about this series. I don't like to make these videos too long. That's why when you see the photos of them, they go by so fast, because you can actually go up and you can either pause it to look at the look more, or you can slow it down if you so wish. Or not YouTube creator, like you can slow down the speed of the video. If you want to see my videos slower, see a little bit more of the blending and stuff. These videos are not about that though. These videos are about showing you compatible looks. They're not about showing you cut creases and, you know, this intricate design. I'm not spending 4 hours on each look. As I've said before, I'm taking 20 minutes to decipher a look from this palette, putting it on my eye in a cohesive manner that I see as appropriate and that I enjoy, and hopes that you guys enjoy them. It's about getting color combinations you maybe wouldn't think, but then you see them and you're like, oh wow, that's really pretty. Not about intricate designs and stuff. I don't do videos on that stuff because I find it boring. So I want to address a couple things. In this video, I'm wearing no lashes. I had a couple people comment that I was hiding behind my lashes. My skill was not there because of my lashes and my liner. I never said I was the best makeup artist out there. I just said I worked as one. I never said I was the best. If you feel like my looks are not up to par with what, you know, you would do in a video, I encourage you to do a video. Never said I was perfect. So in this video, I'm doing no lashes because I don't want people to think I'm hiding my skill behind my lashes. I don't care that much. You know what I mean? I'm having fun and doing videos. I also had a comment about how I edit my makeup in the photos. I do not put on foundation, concealer, powder, highlight, contour, all that. All I edit is I blank out around this area so you can't see my freckles and my under eye circles. I put on a bit of foundation under here for a primer for the color, but that's it. I do not edit the actual eye look. I don't edit the texture that I have on my lid. I have really fine lines on my eyelid. I don't know why. My mom does too. I get dry eyelids sometimes. I'm not perfect at applying eyeliner. Like, these are all things that you see in these photos, and that's fine. I'm okay with you guys seeing them, you know? And then another person suggested that I add in music. A lot of people have suggested that I add in music. So I'm going to be adding in MICHETE. She's a talented trans rapper, and I did get permission to use these. I commented on her Instagram. So I'm going to be using her music in these videos if everything goes according to plan. She has intelligent lyrics and a really amazing beat. But my favorite part about her is her lyrics because, you know, it's humorous, but still like really sharp. So anyway, those are the 3 things I wanted to cover. Probably more than 3, but whatever. Back to this. I wanted to mention this has a very similar quality to the Morphe 35B palette. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this. This is like an old palette. Morphe private labels the fuck out of their products. We all know that. I think it's from Crown Brush. I'm not sure. So when I noticed that Hasina by Blush Tribe was made in China, I was like, ooh bitch, this private labeling. So I went and looked at the ingredients. I Googled the ingredients, and I did notice that Hasina is really, really, really close to one of Morphe's eyeshadows, as well as there's a Sedona Lace palette. I don't own anything from Sedona Lace, but I believe it's ingredient for ingredient the same as this. And there's a lot more colors in it. It's only like $10 or something. I'm just saying this is private labeled. From what I can see, when you do Google their ingredients, a shit ton comes up. A lot of pages. I just wanted to let you guys know about that I do believe that this is private labeled. If it was not private labeled, you know, I think the ingredients, like I went and did the same with Danessa Myricks, and nothing came up for her. I went and did the same for Suva Beauty. Nothing came up for them. So I most definitely do think that Morphe and Hasina do private label from the same company. Once again, I don't know that. That's just me putting that out there into the universe and, you know, letting you guys know how I feel. I think it's really good. And I think, you know, for the packaging, and fuck the packaging, you know, who cares about that? But I think for the quality of the eyeshadows, it's really good. Regardless of it being private labeled. I think it's expensive as hell. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I know it was like pretty up there. Yeah, that's about it. I like it. I'll give it like 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10. And I feel really shitty because like you can tell that they have a drive. And okay, wait, their customer service is really good. So I'll give it like a 7 or 8 out of 10. I'm really happy with it. I think it could potentially be less expensive. That's just my opinion. But other than that, you guys, I hope you really enjoy the video. Once again, I put a lot of work into these. I'm really sorry that I've been talking for so long. I'm trying to keep it to a minimum. I really want these videos to go by super quick so you're not spending too much time looking at me. I don't think it's necessary. I think I have the speed up tool on my iMovie, so I'm going to speed it up. Please share this video everywhere you can. Please share it on Reddit, share it on your Facebook, you know, share it everywhere you can. It really, really, truly helps me. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!
Question, tell me how you feel about me. I write my own lyrics and I make my own beats. I got my own tricks and I do my own stunts. Can't name another bitch that could do it so cunt. I'm always so blunt so you cannot take. Fucking with Machete, that's a big mistake. Cause it's verbal Armageddon when I get up on a track. I'm about to leave them in their feelings and I'm never holding back. Fuck what you heard cause I'm here to state facts. See, I'm getting mad cause I get what they lack. Yeah, I'm talking about bars, I got them 4 days. Happy Meal shit got me looking gourmet. I'm an Ivy League bitch, now you looking 4th grade. Cause I'm colder than a double rainbow sorbet. Could I be more gay? Yes! Everybody in the club say yes! All the bitches gather around like yes! Got your girlfriend screaming out yes! These bitches bitches live for me. Shetty getting to the fame and the infamy. And so these down low faggots wanna get with me. But I would never let a fuckboy sit with me. Nope, been bad since had to wait. And I'm known to get buck like Tampa Bay. Always hit my mark, no Antoine. Stay smoking motherfuckers like a pack a day. But you ain't getting no accolades, cause your brain more hollow than a bag of lace. So I end a week bitch like Saturday. And then I kick back and watch anime. When I spit my verse, I pile up the bodies, leave them in my hearse. I don't play nice, I go the fuck off. I let my haters know that they can really fuck off. I never tell a lie, everything I say is true. I'm a real bitch, can't say the same about you. Now, see you on your fuckboy shit. Fuckboy smile on your fuckboy lips. Fuckboy style and your fuckboy kicks. And a fuckboy pile with your fuckboy click. Fuckboy, damn right you ain't nothing but a fuckboy. Always sit at home playing with your fuck toys. Turn down, I ain't trying to hear that fuck noise. Cause I really don't give a fuck, fuckboy. Yeah.
So dick.
Me and my bitches got no respect. Me and my bitches just wanna get wrecked. So we drink it all down, give a fuck about tomorrow. In the club and we goin' ham taro. All we wanna do is act a fool. Go dumb like we never went back to school. When I'm getting turned up, it's about to go down. In the middle of the club, everybody turn around like,
who is she?
What does she do?
Where can I learn more about her?
Ha! Me and my bitches, me and my bitches, me and my bitches about to pop our pussies. Me and my bitches, me and my bitches, me and my bitches about to pop our pussies. Hey, 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 hey. Me and my bitches about to pop our pussies. Hey, 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 hey. Me and my bitches about to pop our pussies. Now when I say pussy, all my bitches say cunt. Pussy, cunt, pussy, cunt. When I say pussy, all my bitches say cunt. Pussy, cunt, pussy, cunt. Side to side, back to front. Pussy, cunt, pussy, cunt. Side to side, back to front. Pussy, cunt, pussy, cunt. Drink it all down, give a fuck about tomorrow. In the club and we goin' ham taro. Drink it all down, give a fuck about tomorrow. In the club, goin' ham taro. Getting turned up, it's about to go down. Getting turned up, it's about to go down. Turned up, it's about to go down. About to go down. Go and tell him this is my pussy. This is my pussy. This is my pussy. I'ma do what I want. Tell him this is my pussy. This is my pussy. This is my pussy. I'ma do what I want. Tell him this is my pussy. I'ma do what I want. This is my pussy. I'ma do what I want. Tell him this is my pussy. This is my pussy. This is my pussy. I'ma do what I want. Go and bounce those titties. Bounce those titties. Bounce those titties while you pop that pussy. Go and bounce those titties. Bounce those titties. Bounce those titties while you pop that pussy. Go and pop, 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 pop that pussy. Pop, 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 pop that pussy. Bounce those titties.
Me and my bitches about to pop our pussies.
Best in the Northwest, pussy evergreen fresh.